Now, talking about parents who are always worried, especially in an environment where we're living in right now, everyone wants their kids to excel. And they're always worried that my friend's kid or my cousin's kid is going to make it to Harvard and Yale or some of the Ivy Leagues, and my kid is probably going to lag behind. So I need to put them in Kumon and Math Genius and all kind of these brain programs. And most of these kids turn out to be very smart. But how aggressive you need to be with all these enrichment programs, Genius Baby programs? At what point do you say it's too much and it's probably going to hurt the kid, then help them? Do you just let them go to school and do what they're doing in school, or do you have to keep piling up more stuff on top of it to make their brain develop new synapses?
Very good question. And as a pediatric neurologist, I thought a lot about it. Memorization does not mean that the child also has deeper understanding of the
Hmm.
subject, or it does not mean the child also has flexible thinking. So just someone's child knows the names of the shapes and the letters early, it doesn't mean that the child is be a creative genius, because what we want our childs to be in future problem solver, and we want them to be creative, because creativity is what separates us from the other animals. We can
Yeah.
find ways of doing things, we can do one thing in so many different ways, and that's only happen if you have some kind of analytical thinking. And that thinking will come if you give your children ample time to explore things, let them look at things their way. That is why I like Montessori's a little bit better than other systems, because the concepts of the Montessori's let kids explore whatever they want to. They just observe the kids. They don't provide too many interruptions, and they don't want too much of a structured environment. So the
Mm.
child has a chance to basically grow on their own. These flashcards or interactive stuff can be good, but it is not replacement parenting. So basically, I think this is, since we are doctors, we are too busy, and
Mm.
sometimes we don't give our kids such time, and we think as if just I will buy them a flashcard and I will buy them a Genius Baby program. Okay, okay, I'm buying you Genius Baby program, and I want you to become like very successful in life. I don't think that's gonna replace 100%. It may provide a little bit of help. And another thing, Ahmed, I have noticed that we should not buy too many toys to our kids, because what happens then, there is no creativity. Whatever they want, they get it, because they don't want clutter. They need
Mm.
emptiness.